So this is how to convert MTN points to data or airtime. It is very simple. Simply dial *406#. So if you don't have data, you can use your post bonus and buy data. You click on 7. The first one is redeem data bundle, redeem night bundle, IG. You click on the first one. Okay, firstly, let's check our pause balance. 4. Okay, they say you do not have pause points available. Okay, but okay, let's go on. Though I don't have, but let me show you in case you want to use your own. You click on 7. You click on 1. You select the data plan, 2 weeks plan. No network. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. 7 1 2. Okay, here these are the options. 300 points for 350 MB, 500 points for 750, 1000 points for 2 gig. So I don't have MTN pause, but let's try. It will not work, but I just want to show you. It will not try, it will not work. So let's just try one. It will not work. So if you click there, they'll ask you to put auto buy or once. You select. So once you select it, you can use the data very well. So I would like you to like and subscribe to this channel.